It's a beautiful day here outside and we've got so many weet-bix boxes. They're just taking over because the kids have been eating so much sanitarium weet-bix. So we decided today to make a puppet. Okay, I was about to say that. Yeah, I'm a real cool puppet from a weet-bix box. You can do all sorts of things with weet-bix boxes, and today we're going to make one like this. Easy as. Use the sock at the end, simple as, and we can make it in a few minutes. We get a box just like this, we cut it down, halve it. Oh, let's do maths here. 22, 11. So we measure, cut on down to the end. Here we go. Is that it? Haha, we're nearly there. Now the fun part, the hair at the top. To make it curly, you use a pen. Push the pen in to here and go round. Roll it down. Eyes are very important in the puppet. We're going to be looking at different kinds of eyes we can use for our puppet. We have got some ping pong balls, we've got some lids, and we've even got shuttles that you could use, depending what you've got at home. Lids of all kinds can be eyes. As you can see, the back is not quite right, but we'll work on that later. And the neck is far too long, so we're going to cut right across here, cutting his neck off. Use the extra bit of cardboard to make the part in the middle. So when you go like that, you need a bit here. So I use a bit of cardboard to put like that, and I sellotape it with my masking tape. Too many boxes. Bend it like that. Pop it in like that, so your hand can go in the bottom. I nearly wanted to cut it with my teeth, eh? Okay, you can use masking tape for the whole box. Lower. See? You can do it again with the bottom. Grab a bit of. It's all recycling. That much. Bend it up. Pop it in with the masking tape. Then ready for the eyes. What eyes are we going to have? I also put my hand up the sock, my thumb on the heel, hello, and put the sock so it's got a back. can glue this with hot glue later and it will stay in there much easier. That's the mouth part. Let's do the eyes. What eyes shall we use? Those ones? Let's have a look. You can masking tape them on. Have a look. Okay, which eye shall we have? What do you reckon? Scary? Maybe not. Ping pong? What do you reckon? Ping pong? Oh yeah, ping pong's better. A nose? Oh yeah. And then it's finished. Or this nose. Or I could even use spoons. These are my favourite one. Old shuttles, which I used for Henry here. Shuttles. We're not going to use the shuttles. I'm going with the ping pong balls. And a nose. Pink nose. And again, we can either use hot glue. Since we're outside on a lovely sunny day, we're going to use masking tape again. Easy as masking tape. So we stick it on and we say, "Hi everybody, I'm a puppet, a weet-bix puppet." There we go. Can you make a puppet from a weet-bix box too?